Welcome to AutoXware. Today we're going to go over the tree view projects and how to create a new project. When you log in, you're going to default by seeing this tree view of all the projects. If for some reason you have this closed or you choose to have it closed so you can use most of the space on your screen, simply select that expand button and then you'll be able to see your tree view. This tree view is expandable as well. You can contract if you want to have more space to work in. There are also 3 states of this tree view where you see all the projects that you're assigned. You can also look at your active project by selecting active so you don't see the other projects. You can also view only your favorites. So if there's quite a few projects that you are in quite often, you simply select that star, go to favorites, and now that project's in your favorites that you frequently quite often. Adding a project is when you go to the all setting, select that icon there, and we're going to initiate a new project. So we'll call this, name it whatever we'd like, set the status, we'll make this active. We can add a client that's already existing. If for some reason we have a client that is not in here, you're going to see a plus icon here. That's telling you that this is not in the database. So for some reason you want to add this client, you just simply select add, and now it's in your database for the next time you have a project with that client. Adding a project number is optional. Facility name, same thing. It's going to search as you type. As you start to type, you're going to see that plus sign if it's not already in your database. So we'll add a new one. Last thing to do is the asset default budget. We'll select average. This is just telling AutoXware that as you bring in assets into our project, it's going to bring in that average budget. So you have a choice between min, max, average, and the last purchase price. Once you have all of that selected, that's the minimum amount of information required to create a new project. We'll select save, and then we will see this appear now on the tree view, and you're ready to go on to the next phase. Thank you for using AutoXware.